Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. Hey, do you remember this deck? This was the deck that I fixed. And the last thing I want to do is leave all this snow on here until it ices over, and then I can't shovel it off. Now this snow, it snowed a couple of days ago, and I should have done it yesterday, but I was doing the front driveway and some other stuff out front. And then after that, Momi and I went to the movies, and we got back. It was too late, and I was hoping this wasn't going to be iced up on the bottom, because I want to try to get all this snow off of here. Every time it snows, it's a good idea to just get it off your deck so that this doesn't get hard and get icy underneath. Then you try to shovel it off, and there's a layer of ice there, and you want to walk down the stairs or something, and you got to be really careful. And that's the other thing. I want to get all of this off of here, because Momi likes to go down and feed the birds. She likes to go down there and feed the birds and the little bird feeders, and she's got two other ones too. I don't see any birds down there right now, but they'll come, they always do. I've got these cloth, they're kind of furry gloves, and they were fine yesterday, but they're still wet. I forgot to dry them out last night. We got the heaters, the registers are in the floor, and when I get done, I'm going to put these right down on top of one of the registers to dry these off, so they'll be all ready for next time. I'm thinking this is going to slide off all the way. Yeah, it's going to be good here. That's going all the way down. That's good. Must not have got cold enough last night to ice it. I'm glad about that. If I were to leave this snow on here and melt, that's a lot of water melting down underneath my tiles and then going out. I feel pretty comfortable that I did a good job on my floor repairs and the dry rot deck repairs and all that kind of stuff from before. But hey, get the snow off. Minimize your water going down through your concrete pavers here. Alright, where's my little dustpan? I just use a plastic dustpan like this to scoop everything and clean everything in the last little bit. I even like to get these towels. If you saw my dry rot deck repairs, that whole video series, you would have seen this whole thing was dry rotted down inside of there, and I had to get up in there, and I don't know if any snow and water comes down through here and weeps through. I'm not going to take any chances. I'll just do a quick once over on this. Yep, I'm even going to get off the rail. It takes a minute. Okay. I feel pretty good that these stairs are going to come off. And what I like to do is take all of this, get all the snow off before it freezes over. Because if you're going to use these stairs, and we use these stairs to go feed the birds and stuff, it's a real nightmare going down this, even if I take the snow off. Let's say I take the snow off, and if I don't do it soon enough, there'll be a layer of ice on here. And you don't want that, because that's where accidents happen, and you fall, slip, whatever. Okay? If you're not going to use your outside stairs, then okay, maybe you don't have to do them, but we use them. And man, I did the stair replacements and stair repairs from before when I did the dry rot deck repairs, and I'm already seeing an area right here. Let's see if you can see that. Get my camera down here. See that white bit? That was a brand new step too. Just 3 months ago or so. Look at that. It's already bubbled. Right in through here, I can see the paint's bubbled up, and it's already getting down into the primer. Hey, there's not much I can do about that now, is there? All I can do is kind of keep track of it, and when the spring comes, I have to fix it. You know how to fix it now, don't you? You've been watching. You watched all those videos. You would see exactly what I'm going to have to do to fix that, huh? I'll have to scrape out all the loose little bits there, and I may have to use some of that fix-all again, prime it, paint it, one coat of paint right here, and then a full coat of paint here. Let's see, this is how I want all the steps, just like this, so they're all nice and safe. Okay, be safe, not sorry. You know, I'd hate for you to have to fall down these stairs. You think, oh, I'll just hang on to the rail. Yeah, that's fine and dandy. You can hold on to the rail if you want, but feet can still slip out from under you as you're going down on the snow ones, and then that ice is up. Let's see how this works here. Oh, that's good. Wow, that's heavy snow because it got waterlogged. There's a lot of water in there. Just be careful with my steps as best I can. I don't want to scratch them all up any worse than I have to. See, that's where maintenance comes in the spring. Always got to keep on top of the stairs, especially wood stairs. I thought these would last all winter. Oh, look at that! I got snow right down inside my boot. How the heck did that happen? Now I'm stepping on it. Damn it! Okay, I gotta fix my shoe before my foot gets too wet. Let's see how nice it looks out here now. I mean, a little effort. Yeah, granted it took me 15-20 minutes of my time. Anything worthwhile is worth making a little effort at it. Okay? Do your best. Do a good job now. Speaking of effort, every time I see something that I want to write down, I'll put it in my notes. And here's one thing I wrote the other day. Never fail due to the lack of effort, because effort requires no skill. So true. Here's another. If you do nothing out of the ordinary, nothing out of the ordinary will ever happen to you. Okay? Think about those things today.